Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Alex Ronaldson will be Arsenal goalkeeper with a loan out to OH Leuven, you get. So the guy don't play very well and the guy almost win player of the season for them as they finished 11th for Belgian top tier league, you get. The guy they play very well. I don't say many of them and I don't even forget the guy. I don't know say the guy is still our player Alex Ronaldson, one shit backer keeper. By one time go like that. So we loan him and the guy play well for Belgium, you get. So I know say he go come back, he don't come back by now. So they will maybe plan to loan him again because we don't really need him because now Otto Okonkwo one is as his third choice. Then we'll go with Matt Turner as second choice. Then Aaron Ramsdale as our first choice goalkeeper. I made that one go to learn more work you get. So now so we just go. Many of our mandatory spirit don't come outside. They let us know say Real Madrid no get any plan to sign Serge Gnabry because they hear some other reports say Real Madrid don't sign Serge Gnabry. You know say as they missed Mbappe, many news when they link Real Madrid to Serge Gnabry. They don't already link them to Sterling. Now they don't link them to Gnabry, but Real Madrid because they don't want to sign any wingers. Now you get because don't forget they get Eden Hazard. We always go injury, but they say next season it will be like a new winger. Then let's get their own Vinicius Junior for the left flank. So that's why they know the reason anything, and this one will be like a boost to us now. It will be very significant just because now only us now can be like say they for the race to sign Serge Gnabry. So we'll watch as the developments go unfold because Bayern Munich said they're very keen in signing Sadio Mane. And even from Media 37, they can't ask Mane about this Bayern Munich interest. Say, how far and she would like to go join them? What will be your take? You know the year all this is they happen. Back on to say, he will give them response for the Champions League final. After the Champions League final, so we are expecting a response from Sadio Mane. We know where he will end up because Mane no go want play for that Liverpool setup because next season you never know whether he will even see shit because if you check that front lineup set, you go to say even Diogo Jota as good as he is, you know if he enter the first 11 again. Don't forget say they still get a Firmino waiting for bench, you never even they play again. So all those kind of mean. That's why Origi come out now. Origi don't agree terms and conditions with AC Milan. You get. So Mane they didn't say did Luis Diaz them bring just come out and for that in your own position. So you better make him just come out now. Otherwise next season you know go see game time. Well, all these things more to watch as it go unfold because it will really affect us because if Bayern sign Mane, I'm sure we go fit easily sign Serge Gnabry. But if Bayern no sign any winger, it will be very hard for us to sign Serge Gnabry. Hopefully watch. Then at the same time, Bayern Munich don't set £40 million for Serge Gnabry in case anybody won't buy him. You get. I know say that anybody now be Arsenal because the guy everybody knows say in love Arsenal because now Arsenal first sell him from Montclair go Werder Bremen for I think £8.5 million or thereabouts. Then for 2017, what did they call him? Bayern Munich can go sign the guy from Werder Bremen before the guy come blow turn to a superstar. So when I know that time say this guy in the future he go turn superstar. I don't think say he go ever sell him. Now so it be that to say Juventus self no say Thierry Henry will turn superstar in the future. They no go Salah give Arsenal. Not so it be. If they say Roma, no Roma. Okay, if they say Roma, no say Salah will be superstar. They no go Salah give Liverpool. To say Chelsea even know the future. They no go Salah give Roma in the first place. It's not so it be. That's football. You cannot predict. If you don't even know the future of a player, that is why when you hold any small player like in Ketia now, we never really know what it will become in the future. This is we just the pamper and we don't try to give him 5 years contract. Most of them go accept. So well, all these things, we see as go unfold. Even Fabrizio Romano self don come outside and talk say in case I dey set to sign the 5-year contract wey Arsenal don give am. So you don't think they don't talk about this 5-year contract because Arsenal don table am for am. So okay, see as e be o, don't add money for your salary, £100,000 per week. So let us know, make you and your normal then don't give you that kind of contract. Your lawyer go through am, go through fine comb print, go check whether any loophole dey there, you get. Check everything, making sure say it be in order. Well, we dey wait for them. After they don't check and finish, go agree to sign and when they don't sign and make them official. Because they make them official, we hear and Fabrizio will confirm and if you don't confirm and before you know Arsenal go upload them for their own website. Nobody Fabrizio will confirm as any other transfer guru. You can look at the Maz yourself, he confirm am. So many people they David Einstein said he confirm am. Well, I just dey wait for all these new men they why they follow their bum anyhow they go, I they go. Well, if they let me know say like this, I will let you know. At the same time, Fabrizio sef come and say I call dey set the record straight with that Osimhen deal. So Baba come dey talk say as things stand now, you get say Arsenal and Napoli never enter any advanced negotiation, probably because of the money too much. Say where Arsenal mind dey now that Gabriel Jesus, they monitor am, they want a response. So say Gabriel Jesus never come respond, say okay Arsenal wan join una, they come now, I don choose una, you get, because the guy is like a princess wey many prince wan marry, you get. So they are waiting for a response. It's just like that Vlahovic own, they wait for a response. Vlahovic come as I open and say I wan join Juve. Everybody come say okay na Juve in dey go. So now we dey expect the same thing to happen for this Gabriel Jesus, making come aside and talk say na after the international matches between Korea and the rest wey Brazil go play, then go come aside come talk where in dey go. I say this transfer window sef e long reach September. That is why some fans they no really understand. Somebody say make dem rush buy Jesus, make dem rush buy Jesus. There are a lot of things, stumbling block, like Jesus now when dem talk say na next month, 1 more month before he go tell una where in dey go. You can't kill him now. So according to Fabrizio, say Arsenal they wait on that one, they don't get the response, they can't know whether they will pursue Osimhen, you get, because according to wetin they talk, Jesus is their priority. If Jesus can say okay no, I wan go join XYZ club, they'll come focus their attention on this Osimhen. So now wetin Baba dey talk, and at the same time because they talk say Napoli don set price of 85 million pounds. Let's say they don release am from 93. Say na 85 million pounds, which is about 100 million euros. Say now it go take to collect Osimhen from Napoli now, because this same Napoli they paid 76 million pounds for this Osimhen. I think it was from Lille they bought him. I can't really remember the club. I think it was from Lille. Well, anyhow, where all these things they go, I will let you know. Then at the same time, we call the say Tottenham Hotspur they highly interested in signing Yuri Tillemans, and not really Yuri Tillemans then they find. Say they want also buy Jet Spence, get say na them be the favorites to sign them. And what they boost Tottenham Hotspur be say Daniel Levy don't give them I think 150 million pounds may they spend for this summer to build, because they play Champions League and they no go like to come out for the group stage, you get. So now what they ginger them, you get. Now what they make them they feel like say okay money don't dey, money yakpa. Our own self, the previous summer, she been around that kind of 140 million pounds. We self spend carry like 5 players and be how many. So now, self, we the Crooked don't say they go support us. We never really know our transfer kits, how much they give us. Go they watch ya. I don't say money dey. Our familiar setting, one Sky Sports reporter when they ask Aubameyang say, I ain't they see Arsenal. And say, you know, say Arsenal, they nearly enter Champions League. Say whether they monitor their situation, I ain't they see. But back of course, they say they watch them. You get saying they root for them. Say just very unfortunate, say they no qualify for the Champions League. Say they improve well for this season. Get after information they improved. You get say they had a very good season. Just say they no enter Champions League. Saying they hope say they for enter, so I go jam them. Get but they no enter. Well, it's all good, sha. Just they good, just no talk any bad thing. And that's what it's supposed to be. Say you don't be ex-player of a club. Look at the bad mouths the club. You get. I like I think they comport himself. You get. Just they humble and loyal. That's what it's supposed to be. Bukayo Saka don win the EPL Academy Graduate Player of the Year award, and this one I never even heard the award before. Last year I don't know whether I knew award though, but I dey impressed with the award because the award no be only by wetin you play for the field of play, na by how you take comport yourself off the field, you get, your behaviours, you get, and how you take care of yourself. So everything can go well in Saka favour. So they can't give him the award. Well, kudos to him. He really deserves it. Lily don come outside talk to them. They interested in signing Omar Rekik, waiting for Arsenal. And this Omar Rekik now centre back in B, a very young centre back. I don't think they don't play. They never promote to the senior side. So Lily also they in come, but they make him a better player. So Baba can turn down Lily advances. Saying go prefer to dey for Arsenal, making develop with his teammates. Get hope say maybe next season or next year he go get his own chance. He's just 20-year-old, so there's a lot of time for him to grow. And this next season, they say they want to promote all those kind of Ballard, and then Ballard and one other guy, and they want to promote into the first team. You get. Well, I just hope say all these boys they feel no get playing time. Maybe they use them for cup, because we don't want to see all these small rats for inside. For inside EPL next season, unless they extremely talented like Vinicius Junior. If they don't be like Vinicius Junior, maybe they dey where they are. Look at Vinicius Junior. The guy is very decorated with trophies, and he's just 21. And the guy, wow. Our Man City say they go allow Zinchenko to leave if he won't leave. You know, say Arsenal say they're interested in signing the guy. And Arteta want the guy for midfield, not even for left back. They want him for midfield because the guy for Ukraine, the midfield they play for their national team. Then for EPL, for Man City, na left back he dey play. He's very versatile. You get, can play both positions very well. So Arteta dey really say he go plan for your midfield because Arteta wan play 4-3-3 formation next season, and the kind of tactics Arteta wan deploy na similar tactics wey they deploy for Man City. So Zinchenko don already dey used to that style of play. See, Arteta favourite position in formation na 4-3-3, but he never get the right players to deploy that tactics. That is the major problem you get. So na small, see him go get incomplete team you get. So Man City say dem no hold the guy. If you wan leave, make him leave. As long as dem get the right offer, you get, dem go sell am because dem no really use am. They wan buy Cucurella, and once Cucurella don come now, upgrade to Zinchenko. Yeah, na so e go be. Well, e no bad. David Einstein sef don come outside come dey talk say Yuri Tillemans dey very keen to joining Arsenal despite Antonio Conte wey dey talk say he wan buy am this and that. Say the guy really wan join Arsenal. I don't know why. Maybe na Arsenal style of play, I can't really tell you guys. Or maybe na because he know say for there he go get time to play very well. I never really know. Well, more to watch. Me, I know say if Yuri Tillemans enter Arsenal, he go upgrade our midfield. That one na Shola. If he enter, he go upgrade us. Yes, so that's what it's supposed to be. We want anybody go enter, make him upgrade us. No one want to struggle next season. We want somebody that will just come upgrade the team. Jamie Carragher sef don come outside come dey talk say next season say Newcastle go challenge the EPL status quo. You get, say the way they take end this season, go see say Newcastle finish 7 points away from the top 7. You get, and to see them finish for the top 7, they go Europe. You get, they finish 7 points away from the top 7. And apart from that, for the first 14 games they played this season, they no win anyone because they had a very bad season until they can't go January transfer window. They were heading to relegation now. They call use money bust everywhere, and they don't really buy like world class. I think the biggest name they buy are maybe Bruno Guimaraes. The rest are just average players where they buy for the league. Yet they no get any top players yet. Yet they still finish on where they say next season. They fit come close, enter that Euro, they fit go maybe Conference League. Then in the next 2-3 years, say they see them for Champions League. They fit go Europa Conference League next season. But you see next 3 years, Champions League and be. So Carragher call it say them go challenge the likes of Arsenal. I don't know why they just talk about it. Some people say, make I even bust on a some fans, they think say as Arsenal dey now, that's why they go dey enter next season, they no go strengthen. If this is now only Man City, our Man U or this Newcastle have been strengthen, who say we go strengthen in the right places now? I'm not saying Newcastle won't be a force to be reckoned with next season because as of now, say they won't buy Musa Diaby or buy Leverkusen, they don't offer like £40 million, then get money that the richest club in the world, no doubt. But that doesn't translate to performance on the pitch. You get, if we strengthen in the right places, can keep our own talents who don't get already, the young talents, buy experienced players who be Newcastle. Well, we go play them for their some St. James Park now because we no get strikers and we no get midfielders. We don't have people that are experienced. We go there with kids. Our front four were kids. Imagine say we go there with a Gabriel Jesus and maybe Adosimen or Darwin Nunes, and can't check midfield. They say Ruben Neves, I see Yuri Tillemans. One time say Newcastle what they do anyhow. Also we get Sterling for our flank there. All the time say can't compare it now. Sterling as bad as he bad, we no play plenty games. Sterling still score about 15, about 17 goals. Saka will be your best player. Saka scored 12 goals. Sterling still make 5 assists. I got the talk say if Sterling dey for our team, he no go bring our flank. He dey whine me. So that's what a lot of people need to understand. We need experience. Sterling is still 28. Saka is about 21 or 22 or thereabout. I don't even really know his real age. So that's how it just be. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on and you'll get all Arsenal updates as it drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy your Sunday and get out.